Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to store ratchet straps step by step. Start by inspecting every strap closely and clean them with mild soap and water, then rinse and dry fully in the shade. Remove dirt and debris from ratchets and check for rust or bent components. Coil straps neatly without tight folds and secure with a strap wrap or Velcro. Store in labeled bins or hang on hooks away from sunlight and chemicals. Coiling and securing your straps right will save time and extend their life, so treat this step with care. Lay the strap flat and coil in even loops, keeping the label visible so you know the length and capacity. Secure the coil with a neoprene strap wrap, Velcro, or a small bungee to prevent unraveling. Store ratchets separately or with padding to avoid accidental activation and to protect metal parts from rubbing. Pick storage spots that keep straps safe and easy to reach for your next job. A garage shelf, a pegboard with hooks, or labeled plastic bins work well. Just keep them out of direct sun and away from solvents or oils. If you use straps often, hang frequently used lengths on a low hook for quick grab. Rotate stock so older straps get used first and inspect them periodically for wear and damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.